Hey Sam, how's it going?
Good, yeah, I'm good, man. Just had me pizza, so I'm feeling good.
And that's not the only reason why Sam's feeling good. He's now gone all in on YouTube, making videos full time. But he started with just 1,000 subscribers and was still being able to make a living. How did he do it? Let's find out. And we're going to use Strategize's business model canvas to break down his business model and understand his story a little bit better. So Sam's value proposition is based off of camera gear reviews and tutorials. But how did he get into it?
As I was learning things and searching for techniques on YouTube, a lot of the things that I wanted to find out weren't actually accessible or available on YouTube. So I thought every time I learned something, I wanted to share it with other people.
Fantastic. So you started with the idea of bringing people value and helping them.
Yeah.
But specifically in a niche that you knew something about.
Yeah, a little bit about.
So Sam shared a really good point about starting a business and a YouTube channel.
It's got to be about something that you're passionate about. Otherwise, it'll never work. Because A, people see through that. And B, you won't be able to sustain it if you don't enjoy it. You don't have to be the best, because you can learn as you go along, and you can share what you're learning.
So that's super interesting. Sam's customer segment were content creators like Sam who were not quite as far along on the journey as him, but he was still able to help them by bringing them value about things that he just learned himself. Really cool. So Sam has two main channels right now, YouTube and Instagram.
Nowadays, more than ever, it's great to have a social media presence in the form of Instagram or YouTube or whatever it is, to get you across to help market your business.
Now, probably the best way to describe the customer relationship is that his subscribers, his customers, are fans. And so they have an emotional connection with him. And if you look through his comments, well, he just gets loads of them and he gets lots of really positive feedback from people. So it's definitely kind of like a fan relationship. And so whenever he's got anything to sell, they don't even think about it. They just buy it because they're like, oh yeah, Sam's got this thing. I'm going to pay for it. Of course I am, because I'm a fan. That's really important. Sam also made a really good point about how YouTube can help traditional service-based businesses create deeper connections with their customers.
I think a service-based business is the easiest business to start because you're providing a service, something that somebody wants. So, you can market yourself as that. But if you've got a YouTube channel or an Instagram page alongside that and you're showing your personality, people like people. So if they see you, they're going to think, oh, I need my car cleaning, so I'm going to hire Sam to clean my car. Or I want a wedding filming, so I've seen that Sam does it.
So the part of Sam's business model that's most interesting are his revenue streams. But before we talk about those, I'm going to get some tea. So let's talk about Sam's revenue streams. The first one is YouTube AdSense. So he gets paid every time YouTube plays an ad on one of his videos. The second one is that he sells his LUTs and presets on his website so that people can make their content look like his. And then you've got the third one, which is Amazon affiliates. So he does a lot of kind of gear reviews, and then he posts in the description of the YouTube videos links to Amazon to buy them, and then he gets a cut if you then click on them and buy anything from Amazon. So those are his revenue streams right now. But think about all the possibilities that he's got for the future, because he could sell merchandise or he could do licensing like Mr. Beast did with Mr. Beast Burger. And I know Peter McKinnon is doing it too, who is a big inspiration of Sam's, but also myself. So there's huge potential in the revenue streams box for the business model canvas for Sam. In fact, if you've got any ideas for new revenue streams that Sam might like to try out, why not share them in the comments below? Let us know. I'm sure Sam would really appreciate it. Now, let's talk about the back end of Sam's business model. So in terms of the key resources, there's only really one, which is the camera gear, which is super expensive. But Sam's done something really clever because he partners with brands like Hire a Camera who can lend him the equipment, which enables him to do the key activity of filming and editing his videos. And often they're about gear as well, which make it even more important. Now, the last box on Sam's business model canvas is the cost structure. Now, for him, it's not that complicated because he's actually getting a lot of the equipment via his partners, so he hasn't got huge gear costs. What's more important is his salary, so that's probably the main cost that we put for him. So there you go, everybody. That was Sam's business model. I found it fascinating mapping it out and speaking to Sam. I hope you did too. If you did, give this video a like, and why not subscribe for more videos like this? And don't forget to check out Sam's channel. I'll see you later, everybody.